mantecadas, and with this one, I added 2 cups of purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. I added 2.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then for the wet ingredients, I added 1 cup of warm milk, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, and I added 3 eggs at room temperature. So what you do is you put your liquid that you mixed in a bigger bowl, and then as you do that, you pour the powder in here. You pour the powder in the liquid and just keep stirring until you mix all of it. Keep stirring until you have a consistency like this. Okay, so now these are ready to go into the oven, and let's see how they come out. Para el YouTube, para el YouTube. But I'm not recording noise.
Spicy? ¿Te tocó uno spicy?
Oh, damn, go for a ham.
Come in here. All right, I'm gonna have.
Show you guys my mug. Isn't this cute? My daughter got it for me. It's ceramic. I'm kind of scared because I'm clumsy and I break stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna start making breakfast because I have my son and his girlfriend's family is coming over. My parents are coming over, so let's see how that goes.
Wait, we're gonna take a shot.
Oh, drink.
Nomás una foto. Cheese.
This is for my YouTube. This is for my YouTube, so.
Okay, también.
No,
No estoy tirando foto. Video.
Okay, wait, look at Raylene.
No, look at Raylene. Mine's just a video.
A la 1, a las 2,
Y a las
3. Right there. Too loud?
No, as long as we're good right there. We'll be able to see right now when we're recording.
Check 1, 2. Okay. So we don't want to be here and now. No sé qué hora dice, pero a veces están getting feedback.